The next area, we begin with strikes. Okay, we've done punches already. Now we do other different kind of hand strikes that we use in combat Hapkido. The first one is the palm heel strike. Every martial arts in the world has palm heel strike. Okay, again, we lower your arms a little bit so they can see better. You're using the bottom, the heel of your palm, of your entire palm. Okay, and it's usually directed to the chin or the base of the nose. Those are really the main areas where you're using your palm heel strike. Of course, it can be used into the body, into the solar plexus, going slightly upward like this. You can use it into the rib cage from the side. Very useful strike. You can use it in different parts of the body. As I said, most of the time it's directed to the face. Let me show you from the other angle, just a little bit different here. Again, it can be performed from the lead hand, like a jab, or from the cross hand, reverse. Okay, so here, 1 or 1. Just turn your hip a little bit. 1, 1. Okay? In combat Hapkido, we also use the full hand open as the palm heel strike. It's a little bit different. In other words, the whole hand goes into the face of the person. We don't have a different name. We still call it palm heel strike. Like this, with the whole hand, or bending the wrist a little bit, using the heel, 1, 1. Okay? The next strike that we're going to show you, again, it's martial arts strike. It's called the tiger mouth. Very effective, close quarter fighting situation. You're attacking the tracheal area. Very dangerous, of course, so you need to be careful. Open your hand in a V like this, tight, with key energy, bam, and strike into the trachea. Try to come from low, going up, in an upward movement. Reason is, if you go in this way, it's easier to block, to check, to avoid. When it comes from a blind angle from down here, much harder to block, to avoid. Okay, so more of a blind angle, 1. Of course, this one too can be done from the lead hand, from here, maybe you're talking something, bam, or from the other side, the cross hand, bam, this way. Okay, from the other side, just for a different view, again, same thing. Okay, lead hand, low here, bam, here, coming in, tiger mouth. Of course, the other side, here, here, twisting the hip a little bit. Okay, remember that once you strike here, you can turn this into a grab, into the pressure points of the neck. And then, of course, you can go for a takedown or something like that. But right now, we're just examining the strike itself. So, your 2 strike, palm heel, second strike, tiger mouth.